Nyabawole w'obusinga obwa Rwenzururu Agnes Itunga Asiimwe atadde omukono ku ndagaano n'abatal Audio Company okuyambako obusinga okulwanyisa ebikolwa eby'okukabasanya abaana n'okufuna embuto eri abaana ab'obuwala nga tebanneetuuka. Nyabawole agamba baagala okulaba nga bassa enkola gye batuumye lya Kere Carnival mu banaayita okusonda ensimbi okwasizaako abaana bano nga kw'otadde n'okubasomesa obulabo obulimu.
Our girls deserve a chance to grow, to learn, to thrive, and to lead. In response to this crisis, and in solidarity with the Talo Audio Company Limited, I'm pleased to announce that Kere Carnival, a vibrant community-driven campaign and cultural event aimed at raising awareness and mobilizing collective action against teenage pregnancies and child marriages.
Alaze ennyiike eri abazadde abatafaayo okulabirira abaana baabwe ekibaviirako okwonooneka.
Together, let us be a guardian of a brighter, safer, and more just future for all children in our kingdom.
Asinzidde wano n'akoowola abaagaliza obusinga ebirungi okubakwasizaako.
I call to each of every one of you to rise up for the future of our daughters. Let us walk hand in hand, heart to heart, to protect and empower the girl child. I humbly invite all people of Rwenzururu Kingdom and beyond to attend in big numbers, to show your solidarity, to lend your voice, and to support this vital campaign. Let our presence be a loud and clear message. Enough is enough.
Wano Ntalibala Yowasa omuwandiisi wa Tal Audio agamba bakola kyonna ekisoboka okukwasizaako obusinga okumalawo ekizibu kino.
And we are really so honored and we promise that this memorandum of understanding, this cooperation is going to change the children, the girl child, and the social life of our children in the Rwenzori region, OBUSINGA BWA RWENZURURU. Because overdue, it has been a problem, indicated even on world standard by the UN reports, that our region is doing bad in protecting the young children, the young girls. So we feel the commitment, and we feel it a social responsibility that we should be part of this. And we call other many stakeholders, like our mom has done, that let us raise the voices higher.
Bya Ora Gabudiel ne Eric Sebalamu, Salty TV. Omunyo.
Download the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.